Hello guys, as the year is gradually winding down, coming to an end, I have a very important question for you today, and that is, what if there is a way you can generate enough money? I'm talking about 5 to 6 figures. I'm talking about 500 to $1 million minimum, from now to the end of the year, to enable you offset the Christmas bill, the end of year bill, and then help you pay school fees for the new year and pay house rent. Yeah, what if there's actually a strategy like that? I know definitely in your secret closet you'll be wishing there is, and of course the truth is there is, and it's called the quick Christmas cash strategy. Yeah, what does it involve? Quick Christmas cash strategy involves a simple set of strategy through which you can use to sell some rarely known, rarely talked about, wicked cash on demand products, like products you can just plug in and then start making and cashing out from them immediately. All right, and not just the product, not just enough talking about the product, but some sort of a copy and paste advert strategies you can use even if you've not run any type of ad before. Okay, that is why I call it a quick Christmas cash strategy. Well, the truth is, the strategy is not something tedious, not something complex. Is just a simple thing, and that is why I'll be sparing about 30 to 40 minutes to discuss and explain this strategy in a free online presentation. All right, it is not for everyone. The free online presentation is not for everyone. It's actually for people who maybe they have money for Christmas, but they don't want to really they don't mind generating additional cash to offset all their Christmas bill, all their New Year bill, all the house rent wahala, all the school fees early January wahala, right? If you don't mind really generating extra cash for that, then this online presentation is for you. And how do you attend? Yes, it is for free. You're not going to pay me anything yet. You're not going to pay me anything, right? So it's free. And how to get access? Click on the link below this video, on the green link below this video, and register. Once you register, the webinar is streaming immediately. Register and you join the webinar immediately, right? Make sure you register right now, because the registration link, of course, this page will be expiring anytime from now. So if generating extra cash to offset all the Christmas bills, all the end of year bills, all the early January bills, the school fees, the house rent is enough for you, then this training, free training, is for you. So click right now, register, and I'll see you there. And yes, this same strategy is what I hope to use. I've not even started to generate 3 to 4 million naira before the year winds down, so I can take care of my bills as well. Who doesn't like spending from extra cash? Who doesn't like saving their cash and spending from extra cash? If you don't, I do, and that is why I'm not taking this a strategy lightly. So join me as we go into this strategy and start using it immediately to generate quick cash for Christmas, New Year bill. Thank you, and I hope to see you there.